The shutter speed is the amount of time you let your lens take in the light. So the longer the shutter speed, the more light you capture. Simple, huh? The shutter speed is measured in fractions of a second, since a second is a very, very long time in a camera language. The one that I use is 125th of a second, which means that if you would break down a second into 125 fractions, I capture one of those fractions. This is really good for me, especially when I work with fashion models and they pose around, and it's really good for me to capture each moment of that. However, if I would go to a sports event or if I would capture kids playing around, I would probably bump up my shutter speed to 1/500th or even 1,000th of a second, because I want to freeze a little caption, when they're like maybe up here, or if they are just about to run and they make, that phase. Fast shutter speed is amazing to freeze your subject in a very, very fast movement. Whereas if you have slow shutter speed, you actually capture the whole movement. So for example, those beautiful floaty waterfall photos that you see sometimes, that is low shutter speed. To summarize, fast shutter speed is freezing a moment, whereas low shutter speed, you're capturing a whole movement.